Rosemary. Why everyone should be using it every day. Welcome back to Healing with Herbs. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved and aromatic herbs, rosemary. Whether you know it from your spice rack or as a thriving garden plant, rosemary is far more than just a flavor booster. This incredible herb has a rich history of healing, from improving memory to promoting hair growth. Stick around, and let's explore how rosemary can support your well-being and even transform your health routine. Origin and details. So what makes rosemary so special? Rosemary, or Salvia rosmarinus, is a fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean. It's been cherished for centuries not just as a culinary ingredient, but also for its powerful medicinal properties. Known for its pine-like aroma and evergreen leaves, rosemary has been traditionally used to support memory, digestion, and even heart health. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils, rosemary is truly nature's gift to holistic healing. Let's get to know rosemary a little better. This hardy shrub typically grows 3 to 5 feet tall, with narrow, needle-like leaves that are dark green on top and silvery underneath. In the right conditions, rosemary blooms with small, delicate flowers in shades of pale blue or lavender. Did you know rosemary's name means dew of the sea? It thrives in sunny coastal areas, which explains its Mediterranean origins. The herb has been used since ancient Greece and Rome. Greek scholars would wear rosemary wreaths during exams, believing it enhanced memory and concentration. In the Middle Ages, rosemary was burned in homes to purify the air and ward off illness. Such a versatile plant, don't you think? Healing benefits. Now let's talk about how rosemary can actually benefit your health. One of its standout qualities is its ability to enhance memory and focus. This property is attributed to compounds like 1,8-cineole, which boosts brain function by improving blood flow and stimulating neurotransmitters. Studies suggest that inhaling rosemary essential oil can significantly improve cognitive performance and even lift your mood. So if you're prepping for an exam or a big presentation, a whiff of rosemary might be just the boost you need. Rosemary is also a fantastic herb for digestive health. It stimulates bile production, aiding in the breakdown of fats and improving nutrient absorption. If you suffer from bloating or indigestion, rosemary tea can be a soothing remedy. Another fascinating use of rosemary is its role in hair care. Its ability to stimulate hair growth has made it a popular ingredient in shampoos and scalp treatments. Rosemary oil improves circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and even combating hair thinning and dandruff. Regular scalp massages with diluted rosemary oil can yield noticeable results over time. And let's not forget rosemary's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These help combat free radicals, reduce inflammation in the body, and support heart health. It may even play a role in lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Usage, dosage, and risks. So, how can you make the most of rosemary? The leaves can be used fresh or dried in cooking, while rosemary tea is an excellent option for digestion and relaxation. Rosemary essential oil is perfect for aromatherapy or as a scalp treatment. But remember, always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. For memory support, consider diffusing rosemary oil or using it in a roll-on for your temples and wrists. For hair growth, add a few drops of rosemary oil to your shampoo or create a DIY scalp treatment. While rosemary is generally safe, it's essential to use it in moderation. High doses can cause side effects like nausea or irritation. Pregnant women and people with epilepsy should consult a healthcare provider before using rosemary in medicinal forms. Rosemary is much more than a fragrant herb. It's a natural powerhouse for memory, digestion, and even hair health. Its versatility makes it a must-have in every home. From ancient rituals to modern science, rosemary has truly stood the test of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healing with Herbs. We've got plenty more natural remedies and wellness tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.